Hello friend, how are you? I am Raihan Islam. I have bought you a special product. Product name MediaHub Review. Product description. First to market brand new AI power
Are you sick
app.
of the rat race and the endless grind? Do you
A profitable and functional DFY multi-vendor store in just 60 seconds. Massive proof plus testimonials was how we pull $250 plus sales multiple times daily in our agency without cashing a single silent in a super easy and fresh niche. This is demo video.
dream of building a successful online business that gives you the financial freedom and flexibility you deserve? Introducing MediaHubBuilder, the ultimate solution for building a profitable online marketplace. In just 3 easy steps, you can set up your own profitable multi-vendor marketplace. Step 1. Create your account. Step 2. Customize your store as your need, like color, banner, content, etc. Step 3. Connect payment options and done. Your multi-vendor marketplace is ready to make profits in no time. Did you know that the digital marketplace industry is projected to reach over $20 billion by 2025? With MediaHubBuilder, you can easily create a multi-vendor platform that connects sellers and buyers from all over the world. And with our advanced automation, you'll be making money even while you sleep. But don't just take our word for it. Our satisfied customers and vendors have already built thriving businesses with MediaHubBuilder. They love the ease of use, the advanced features, and the ability to scale their businesses to new heights. So why wait? Start building your own profitable online marketplace today with MediaHubBuilder. But hurry, this is a limited time offer and the price could go up at any moment. And with our 30-day money-back guarantee, there's absolutely no risk. Join the ranks of successful online entrepreneurs who have built their fortunes with MediaHubBuilder. It's the only tool you need to achieve true financial freedom. Get started today and watch your business soar.
Your just 3 easy steps. Step 1, setup. Step 2, customize. Step 3, start growing. Digital multimedia assist. All you need to develop a fill-in-blank system. Let me share a secret to business success. Earnings. What if there was an easier way? You will find the product link in the description of my channel. If you like the product, can you then see the product? Thank you so much.